Hey guys, welcome back to our channel.
Right. We're at the damn dam.
We're at the damn dam.
This is my damn husband.
I'm with my damn wife and my damn
I'm with my
kids.
damn family. We're with the whole damn family. Take a picture of the Hey.
Rolled out of Vegas with the sunrise glow. There's a wind humming where the Colorado flows. Steel and concrete, standing proud and grand. A giant in the canyon called the Hoover Dam. The mountains stand watch on the Arizona line, holding back the river, working over.
So here's the Nevada time, and there's the orchid time.
Yeah.
There's the different times.
Wow,
Different time zones.
didn't even know.
By tough hands through the dust and sand, a monument to dreamers, the mighty Hoover Dam. Hoover Dam, standing tall and strong, keeping the lights on all night long. Through the desert heat and the canyon land, nothing stands taller than the Hoover Dam. Oh, Hoover Dam, what a sight to see, holding back the power of the wild country. From the valley
Why are we crossing?
skies to the red rocks.
Oh, we can. Getting shade.
Live the legend of the Hoover Dam. Tourists with cameras and bikers on the road, stopping for a moment where history unfolds. Looking down below at the river's winding path, feeling something bigger in the canyon's vast. The turbines keep turning deep inside the wall, sending power through the south.